Have you ever paid for a membership and then realized you're only using about 10% of what you're actually paying for? Well, that's exactly what's happening to millions of AARP members right now. Most people think AARP is just a card that gets you an occasional discount at a restaurant or a hotel, and it's a lot more than that. But what if I told you that there are benefits that could potentially save you hundreds of dollars every single year? Now, these benefits could include travel rewards, job resources, fraud protection, a lot of money saving tools and tips. What I think is a lot of fun, a lot of free brain games that you can play, and even a lot of discounts that most people never ever realize that are an option. And here's the shocking part: many people pay for ARP year after year and never, ever have used one benefit. Well, today, guys, I hope that changes. Today, we're uncovering several of the hidden AARP benefits that many seniors and retirees don't know about, but probably should. And make sure you stay till the end because benefit number 7 may be the one that is the most valuable of them all. Welcome back to Retirement for Seniors, guys. My name is Mark. This is the channel where we help you make smarter decisions about retirement and money and benefits and healthcare and Social Security and pretty much everyday living. If that sounds useful, do me a favor while you're thinking about it and while I'm mentioning it, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Now, let's dive into those hidden AARP benefits. Number 1, the membership can pay for itself. All right, guys. So let's just go ahead and start here. Real simple, right? Right at the very beginning. Many people see the membership fee and immediately ask, well, is AARP really worth it? Well, at the time of this recording, AARP has offered promotions as low as $11 per year when you're purchasing a multi year membership. Now, guys, these prices can and probably will change. Well, at the time of this recording, ARP is offering promotions as low as $11 per year when purchasing a multi year membership. Now, prices can still change, so always verify the current rates on the official website. But think about this, guys. If your membership costs $11 annually and you use it just one time, you paid for it. If you use it two times, you're ahead of the game. One example, let's just use this one, Walmart Plus membership. Some offers have to provide savings that are far greater than the annual membership costs. That means one benefit alone could potentially pay for your membership and still leave money in your pocket. And the membership that I just spoke on Walmart Plus, well, it's 10%. And at 99 or basically $100, you're saving $10. Guys, that's a dollar from your membership with ARP. So if you just use it that one time, you paid for it. Benefit number 2, travel savings most members overlook. Now, if you enjoy traveling like I do, and trust me, I do, this next benefit could be extremely valuable for you. Many members don't realize that ARP actually operates a travel center that offers discounts on hotels and rental cars, vacation packages, cruises, something we're getting ready to do, and on flights. And occasionally there are special promotions that include gift cards and bonus rewards. Now, here's something important. Even if you are already using the travel website, it doesn't hurt to compare the prices through ARP before you do the booking. A few minutes of research could potentially save you enough money to cover your membership for years. And if you're retired and traveling more often, trust me, those savings can add up. So before your next trip, make it a habit to check AARP travel offers first. Just may be surprised what you find. All right, guys, benefit number 3, restaurant discounts. Those add up really fast. So let's talk about food, my favorite subject, because who doesn't enjoy saving money while eating out? Many ARP members qualify for discounts at restaurants, including, and I'm just going to go through a very short list: Denny's, Outback Steakhouse, Bonefish Grill, Carrabba's, and Aunt Annie's, which I understand have incredible pretzels in the mall. Now, 10% discount may not sound like it's life changing, but think about it this way. Let's say you and your spouse eat out once a week. Over the course of a year, those small discounts add up to over several $100s. Most people ignore small savings because they seem insignificant. But retirement is often about stacking small wins together, a few dollars here, a few dollars there. And before you know it, you have saved a substantial amount. Guys, let me share this old saying. I'm sure you've heard of it. And let's see if I can remember it. It is something like the rich stay rich because they live like the poor. They use benefits like what we're talking about. And the poor stay poor because they act like the rich, the flashy cars or the house or the jewelry or whatever the case may be. So, this is how the rich stay rich. They shop deals, they shop bargains, and they take discounts. Okay. Benefit number 4 is fraud protection. Now, this is something that is extremely important. I just heard that my cousin in St. Louis was the victim of a scammer. Unfortunately, scammers are getting smarter every year. They use fake text messages, phony phone calls, fraudulent emails. I'm sure you've heard about pig butchering, the romance scam, investment scams, and government impersonation scams like they're calling from the IRS or from local law enforcement. You have a warrant, you better pay it. And they're targeting older adults more aggressively than ever before. Now, this is where AARP's Fraud Watch network becomes incredibly valuable. This is something you ought to go to AARP's website and take a look for yourself, just so that you know all the different services that they have to offer. Now, the program provides scam alerts, educational resources, fraud prevention guidelines, and warning signs of what to watch out for. But, guys, here's the reality: avoiding one scam could save someone thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. If you remember my last couple of videos I did on scams, I know one person personally here in my city that is a friend of our family that was scammed over $1 million. Over $1 million. And their family knows what I used to do for a living. Makes me sad. Just makes me sad. And that's why, guys, the benefit alone deserves your attention. Protecting your money is just as important as growing your savings. All right, guys, before I continue with the rest of the video, just a very quick interrupt. Guys, starting right now, I offer a free one-on-one time, very, very limited opportunity. Did I mention free? To work directly with me and not a member of my staff. All right, guys, before I continue with the rest of the video, just a very quick interrupt. Guys, starting right now, I'm offering a free one-time, one-on-one limited coaching opportunity. For 30 minutes, I'm happy to work with you. In the very beginning, I'm going to get to know who you are. And then we're going to find out, what does retirement look like for you? Finally, what are you wanting out of retirement? And then I'll put together a one-page document. We'll send it out to you and give you kind of a roadmap on what your future could look like. All that happens if you book a one-on-one with me. Okay. Retirement is supposed to be the reward after decades of hard work. But for many seniors, retirement can also bring uncertainty, loneliness, stress, financial fear, and major life changes. Many people suddenly find themselves asking, what do I do now? Who am I without my career? Why do I feel lost after retirement? Or how do I start over at this age? So, guys, I created this unique one-on-one conversation because many of the seniors simply need someone who understands what they're going through. This is not therapy. This is not financial advice. This is real conversation for anyone who has never been taught what actually happens in retirement, especially if you're not prepared. So you may need to become unstuck, change some of that time management system around to maximize your productivity. Wait, there's productivity in retirement? Yes, there is. Your retirement plan looks something like a document that I will produce at the end of your one-on-one. If you want to see what that looks like, book now. We have very limited, down to only 10 offers for this. So book now. Okay. You can find out how to sign up down below in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Number 5, brain games to stay sharp. So here's a benefit people completely overlook: AARP games. Now, you might think that games is entertainment or a waste or something your grandkids do. But many experts agree that keeping your mind active is so important as we age. Word games, crossword puzzles, card games, brain challenges, and of course, strategy games. And the best part, they can become part of a healthy daily routine. Crossword puzzles with your morning coffee, brain game in the afternoon, a puzzle before dinner. Small activities like this help to keep your mind engaged and challenged. And honestly, it's actually a lot of fun too. All right, benefit number 6, job and career resources. So here's the one that surprises a lot of people. ARP isn't only for retirees. Many people over 50 find themselves still working. Others want part time income. Some are simply changing careers, and some are returning back to work after retirement. Well, ARP provides career resources, including job search tools, resume assistance, career guidance, and skill training opportunities. But there's even a skill builder program designed to help people learn new workplace skills. Right there on ARP. What's it cost you? $11. Well worth it. Retirement today looks very different than it did, say, 30 years ago. Some people fully retire, others start businesses, like me here on YouTube. Others work because they enjoy it, like me also. Having more options gives you more freedom, and that's something that we can all appreciate. Now, let's get to what may be the most valuable benefit on this list: retirement planning tools. And ARP provides calculators and resources that help members understand things like Social Security claiming strategies, retirement income planning, or what about this? Something that most people don't know: RMD, that stands for Required Minimum Distributions. That's when you are required to start taking some of your retirement funds. And finally, financial planning concepts. And these decisions really matter. They can make the difference whether you retire rich or comfortable enough, or you retire poor. Guys, 40% of the homeless or unhoused community is made up of seniors, seniors that didn't have a plan. Guys, I want you to have a plan. You can talk to your financial advisor, usually free of charge. Okay. Now, these decisions do matter. For example, when you choose to claim Social Security, it can affect your monthly benefit literally for the rest of your life. And that is huge. Having access to the tools that help you to understand your options can be incredibly useful. Many retirees focus on saving money. That is what we are told from day one: save money, save money. But understanding how and when to use that money is just as important. Okay. That's why I started this channel. Knowledge can be one of the most valuable retirement assets you have. All right, guys, I want to wind this up. So, what's the big takeaway? ARP isn't just about discounts, it's a collection of tools and resources designed to help people save money, to stay informed, and to stay active and protect themselves. From travel savings and restaurant discounts to fraud protection, job resources that we just got done talking about, from retirement planning tools. They may be far more value in the membership than most people realize. The mistake isn't in joining ARP. The mistake is joining and never using ARP. All right, guys. So I'd like to hear from you. Which ARP benefit surprised you the most? Was it the travel savings, the fraud protection resources, the brain games, or retirement planning tools? Leave your answer below in the comments section so that I have an idea where you're at this point in your life. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with someone who might be paying for ARP without using all the benefits. All right, my friends, my name is Mark, Retirement for Seniors. Guys, I've got a great video that you just may like, and you can find it right here. Take care. Bye for now.